Okay, this is Bill Prince in Houston, Texas. I have one of my latest puzzle boxes. Actually, it's more of a magic box than a puzzle box because it doesn't have like most Japanese type puzzle boxes. Literally, they have a combination, or they have pieces that move that are like a combination. It was a little boring to me. So this one is more of a magic box actually. So this one here, there's nothing that moves on it. I don't have it completely closed, but you see this is the lid. It will not open. And so there's not much of a sound in it. So you have to figure out how to open it. And this one works with a rotational moment of inertia. And so in order to open it, it's a little difficult, but I'll try to open it here. You have to rotate it and stop it. And I'll explain why it opens here. Let's try it. You can see the top is starting to come up. This one is not easy to open. So it comes up and it'll unscrew. And so it has a threaded rod, and on the inside it has a heavy weight at the bottom and a steel 3/8 of an inch thick and 4 inches in diameter. So what happens is it's free to move. This tube here is only in alignment. It's got a clear plastic that holds the weight in place. This is just an alignment for the rod to go, threaded rod to go in there, the bolt to go in. And so if you notice, I've got a little black strip on it. And so if you turn it, like this, it turns with the box. But it has momentum and it's not captured. So if you stop, it moves. Or you see, Jacob, come look at the inside. I'll hold it like this and look down in the box and you'll see it move. See it moving? See? So it moves around, and it has thread in it. So I can unscrew it here, show you how it's made. There are 4 screws. I only have 2 of them in place right now. And to lock the box, you actually rotate it the other way. So you rotate it and then you stop it real quick. So rotate, stop, 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 stop. And the box, both the weight and the box move. But when you suddenly stop, the box stops. But the disc, it continues to move a little bit because of the inertia, the rotational inertia on it. So when you do that, there's this piece here, this just holds it in place. So there's a disc, pretty heavy, and so you've got a lot of momentum here, and it's threaded right here. So you do it, jerk it, you know, rotate it and stop it, one direction, and it tightens going this way, and then it unlocks going that way. So that's basically how it works. And so when it's all locked in place, and you put this back on there, then you do it the other direction, and the lid, little by little, it goes down, it closes. And it has this piece here that goes down into the recess, the square, so then it won't, you can't unscrew it by hand. So anyway, that's my magic box utilizing the rotational moment of inertia. So there you go.